Hi, so I am Lesley. I am 57. I've travelled from Leicester to have my hair done. It's absolutely 100% worth the journey. It's a really simple journey as well, but it is well worth it. My hair journey is a little bit complicated. I've got 2 chronic illnesses and going through the menopause, which thankfully is over and done with now. I just suffered a lot of hair breakage, thinning, really strong medications that were taking its toll on my hair. And what do? Didn't feel like myself. Extensions were the way to go, to give my hair the chance to mend, fix, get back to its natural self, give it time to heal. I have never looked back, because not only is it giving me my confidence back, underneath these beautiful tresses is my natural hair, which is now fully back to where it was. It's still thin, but it's healthy and it's strong, which was ultimately the aim. And that's really important that you look after your extensions. I condition my hair and the extensions, but I don't go too much to the root. I also make sure that I have them changed every 3 months. Styling wise, I can have whatever I want, but ultimately I will make sure that I just do a soft curl in the morning. It's effortless. It takes me a lot less than it used to styling my own hair, and I just maintain them by, as I say, making sure that I've got some products to take through and just keep them nice and fresh and conditioned. I came from Leicester to have my hair done, and you think, why would I? It's quite a way away, it's quite a journey, but it's such an easy journey, and it's a journey I would make time and time again. But it's a really simple journey. I come straight into Euston, and it's just a quick 10-minute walk, if that. Straight off Oxford Street into a beautiful courtyard, surrounded by all the hustle and bustle of London, but only, I get to do a little bit of shopping. We're in central London. Being in the heart of London just makes that little bit more special. I came through the door. It's a really, really modern salon in, as I say, in the hustle and bustle of London, and it's amazing. Really warm atmosphere. But what was best for me was, I didn't think anybody would be able to match my hair. It's quite multi-tonal. I've always been very blonde, and I thought, it's going to be a real long process of matching the colours. Well, little did I know, they have the London Hair Lab within the salon, and everything is done in one day. So I came, I had a consultation, my hair was colour matched. I then had it fitted, styled, and away to go.